everybody, I'm back and I have a Dollar Tree haul. Now this Dollar Tree I went to, they had some cute stuff for Mother's Day. I mean, really no great shake as far as like, well, things that other people are getting, you know, the wood, the blocks and that kind of stuff. But they did have some cute things that I think I can work with. Look at this. You know how they do like the rings or the hula hoops, which I'm still going to do when I have everything to make it. But look at this. And then they put the little hooks or clips. This can be decorated. So cute. What a cute gift for Christmas. So I only saw these two actually, but that can be really, really cute. Then, like I said, I don't get food per se from the Dollar Tree, you know, like frozen stuff or pasta or anything like that. But they do have good soft drinks sometimes. And I saw this, and this is Martinelli's Sparkling Blood Orange. So that really sounded good to me. Yeah, so I'm going to try that. Then I just need, I'm so mad. I had a Pampered Chef cooling rack. They kind of stood up. It was coated. It was black. It was beautiful. I can't find it. I have an idea of the person that probably tossed it, and he will remain nameless. Anyway, so I need a cooling rack because I want to make chocolate chip cookies. So I got this. You know, it's not nearly as nice as what I had, but. And then they did have this, and I thought this was cute. But I will probably, at some point, DIY. I may leave it now when I bring out my strawberries and everything, but you can always turn it over and do the other side. But I thought that was cute. They had two different ones, and one was in a blue and green, I think. I don't even know what it said, but I liked this one. And in my other video, when I did a haul for Hobby Lobby, I was telling you that I'm going to do a series on faux food. And so I'm buying things to show what I'm going to be using for faux food, and I'm going to be doing some resin. So I'll be showing you everything for that. So I got a couple of these chopping mats. I have chopping mats that I use all the time, but I'm not going to use this particular one for food. This will be for resin and for plaster of Paris and spackle. So I can just wipe it up when I need to keep something. You know what I mean? So they had two of these. They're two for $1. That's in their kitchen section. And then I saw this. I thought that was cute. Again, because of all the faux, you know, the popsicle, all that. So I got that. I don't know yet what I'll do with it, but I thought it was cute. They had a few others, but I didn't get them. I just got this because I'm not going to do a whole lot for the 4th this year. Again, for my crafting, I just got some cotton swabs. I'm going to try to keep this other stuff together so I can show it all at once. But anyway, I always get these Betty Crocker because they wash up so nice. And I use these for my lunches. Works out really well. Some of these clear plastic dishes, I'll be doing a DIY with those. Some straws. I also use these in my faux food for every holiday. You know, this for the 4th, and then Christmas, the red and greens and trees, and you know what I mean. I like Yardley soap, and when I was a kid, I remember I used to use it. But look at what they had. They had a limited edition of the pumpkin, cream, and cinnamon with amorous oil, and it smells so good. So I got that, and I'll use that in the fall. And then all of these, I'll keep all of these separate, but these will be used for my spackle and faux food. I'll keep one of these for regular, and I just mark it. The one for food, I'll just put a mark on this, and I know which is which. But the rest of these, except for the knife, look, it even has a cover. Look at that. The rest of them are going to be for faux food. And then I just got one of these for the bathroom to clean the tile. I mean, I know a lot of this isn't real exciting. Then I got this one. I like the way it's got an angle. It's really good to be able to get in jars. This I'll keep for food. But I get them when they're there, because you know the old saying, get it when you have it, when they have it, because if you don't, you may not get it. This is another thing that I'm going to be using for my resin, and it's one of those cosmetic silicone facial mask applicators. Obviously, I'm not going to use it for that. It's going to be for resin and faux food. This also was in the kitchen section, and this will be for food. Little tongs. And then I got this pineapple. I thought it was cute. They had pineapple, flamingos, and shells. And this is the only one I wanted. And then they had this. I thought this was so cute. Learn, protect, and grow. Plant these seeds and save bees. It's a pollinator kit. So I'm not quite sure about that, but I thought, well, okay, I'll help the bees. Then I'm doing a DIY with this. I'm not going to keep it like this at all. This is going to be completely different. The welcome's going to come off of it, and this is going to be something I think that you're really, really going to like. So I got 2 of them for $1. You can't beat it. And I usually don't get makeup from there, but they had the LA colors, and if it does look like this, because I do wear this color a lot, who knows? I mean, it may not even look like it, but for $1 it's worth a try. And lip liners. And there's 2 different colors. This one is, it's kind of like a nude, and this one's like a mauve. And then I found this Oil of Olay bar soap, and this really smells good. I do like Oil of Olay. And one more plump gloss. Well, we'll see how that works. Then I bought one of these. You know I always get these for work, but I thought that was kind of cute. Parchment paper, that's for the faux foods. I got a couple of these silicone just to pick things up out of the oven. And then look at this. This is kind of cute. It's lights, you know, the fairy lights, but it has little clothespins, plastic clothespins, and you hang pictures on it. And this was in the graduation section. Then I got a couple of these, and this is going to be for the resin. And when I take my lunch, I put my dressing in these, and these are very nice to use for that. And I just needed plastic wrap. And I buy my Ziplocs, whether it be for food, crafts, whatever. I always buy that at the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to pay $3 for a box when I can get them for $1 when it comes to that kind of stuff. And I do like their bounce sheets, you know, for the dryer. So I got that. And for the car, I always put a package of these in my car. And then to clean the inside, the dashboard, just this little Armor All. And then I got these little shot glasses because you can measure your resin, because your resin has to be of equal parts. So if you get these, do you know how much they want at Hobby Lobby for these little plastic cups? And there's nothing different about them. $11. I don't think so. So I just get the shot glasses. And just another of the silicone. Again, it'll be for faux food and resin. Okay, now, I'll be right back to show you a couple things I thought were kind of cool. Okay guys, I wanted to show you, they had some really cute stuff for Mother's Day if you want to make up a little basket. So I think I'm going to do that and show how you can really kind of make a basket cute. Anyway, right when I walked in the door, I was kind of shocked actually. Usually they don't have, you know, you've heard the whole spiel. I don't need to say it again. But anyway, they had a foot mask, ultra moisturizing, and it is, okay, it says cleanse feet with warm water and thoroughly dry before using foot mask. Apply the foot mask evenly across foot. Gently smooth the mask over foot to ensure maximum coverage over the skin. Recommended application time is 15 to 30 minutes. Remove sock from foot. Wipe off any remaining residue with a damp cloth. Skin on your feet will feel moist and rejuvenated after use. Recommended to use between 3 and 5 times. Look at that. So, okay, then they had this spa coconut infused exfoliate bath mitt. Why not add to that a shampoo massager? Doesn't mean you got to use it on your scalp. You can use it on your body. Then look, they had the satin eye mask. But I mean, how cute to put all of this in a basket. Then they had the exfoliating bath glove. And this stuff all went together, with, you can tell. I think it's cute. Then the lavender infused exfoliating bath pad. Why not have a hot or cold compress for your eyes or anywhere you need it? Is that cute? Again, it matches. Massager. When you're in the hot shower, actually, do you know what I'm going to use this for? My dogs, when I give them a bath. Because I think it'll feel good. I mean, obviously, I mean, they're soft enough. I mean, not real soft. But I will use this for them because I think it'll feel good to them. But you got to be a little easy on it, you know what I mean? But that's really what I got that for. And then they had this is just a foot, you know, to when you're washing your feet, and then the pumice, and then the little, no, actually it looks looks like a grater. Ooh, I don't know about that. But if you were putting it into a basket, I think it would be adorable. And then this is a foot file, and they made it kind of like a shoehorn so it'll fit your heel, and it's just a little bit of like pumice. But again, look, it goes with, it's cute. And then this is just another foot mask. I think that is adorable. Let's move that because I'm not using that for... But to set that up in a basket, how cute. Okay, a couple more things. They only had popsicle sticks, and you know what, and that's going to be perfect anyway because of some things I'm making. But I wanted the tongue depressors, and they didn't have any. But for now, this will do. I also got this because I will use these for dressings when I need to. And they're plastic condiment. And they're just little cups with lids like you get when you go to a restaurant. And then this little thing, this is a gel polish remover tool apparently. I don't have gel nails, but you see how this little, it looks like a tiny little spoon. Well, that's perfect when you want to put glitter or mica powder into resin. This would be the perfect tool, so that's what I got this for. This has nothing to do with gel polish remover. This is for my resin. But I will take you through all that when I get ready to show you what I'm doing, okay? All right. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.